Jed here to demonstrate how to provision your Cisco phone through the phone menu. Provisioning is necessary for your phone to communicate with your network. When it comes to provisioning, you have different options. If you purchased your phone from GoTo, it will ship to you and be ready to use with one-touch activation. If you want to learn how one-touch activation works, please see a link in the description. Secondly, you can provision your Cisco phone using their web interface. There is a video in the description on that topic as well. Finally, you can provision your Cisco phone using the phone menu. This video will demonstrate that method. Before you can provision your phone, you must do 5 things. First, create a device profile for your phone in the admin portal. Second, verify that you have assigned your phone's MAC address to the device profile. The MAC address is a unique 12-digit identification code typically found on the back of the device. Third, verify that you have properly plugged in your phone. Fourth, know your device admin password. This is often needed to perform admin functions on your desk phone. Fifth, you should know what your domain name is as well as the provisioning rule for your company. The domain name can be found in your admin portal. Later in this video, I'll let you know what GoTo's provisioning rule is for Cisco phones, and I've added that to the description of this video. I've also included a playlist in the description with several videos that help with the steps I mentioned a moment ago. Now it's time to provision your Cisco phone from the phone menu. I'm using a Cisco 6851 phone for this video. If you're using a different Cisco phone, the buttons may be in other locations, but the steps should be the same. If they are not the same, please refer to our phone guides or search on the internet for how to find the provision rule on your phone model. When using your phone, you can select by using arrow keys or by pressing the number corresponding to a specific item. I'll be zoomed in a moment, so you may not see me make selections by pressing the number keys. Begin by pressing Settings. Use the navigation wheel to navigate down. Select Device Administration. Unless your password option has been disabled, like it is for me, you must enter your device password. Use the wheel navigation again to navigate down to see more options. Choose Profile Rule. If you are a GoToConnect customer, here's your provisioning rule for Cisco phone users. Replace domain with your specific domain. If you are not a GoToConnect customer, contact your admin to determine the provisioning rule for your phone service provider. Use the respective number to select the desired letter or number. Special characters can be added by pressing 1, star, or pound. If you need to make a correction while entering the rule, press the X key. Pressing back will take you to the previous menu, and then you'll have to repeat this step again. After typing in the rule, double check to ensure it is correct, including which letters should be capitalized if applicable. Press Resync to continue. Your phone will now process the new rule. If it does not work, it's likely because it can't access the latest firmware updates. For further help, get in touch with your phone service provider. Even though we received a success message, the phone will not implement the new changes until restarted. That can be done either from the device or by power cycling. Power cycling is done by removing the power source from your phone, waiting 60 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Let me demonstrate how to restart the phone from the menu. Press the back button until you return to the administration menu. Select Restart. Then press OK to restart your phone. Your phone will now reboot, which may take a few minutes to complete. Once done, your phone should be ready to use. That's all there is to provision your Cisco phone from the phone menu.
Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features in case you want to learn more.